Hello, good morning students. How are you doing? Doing great? Welcome to your EVS class. So today I am making a video especially for those students who are not attending the classes, and as you know that in our live classes we have started a topic plants. Yes, plants. So would you like to visit to a school garden? No, you don't need to come here. It is not allowed. You know this in COVID-19, we are not allowed to come to school. Oh, then how will you visit? Don't worry, you are going to have a virtual visit. What is a virtual visit? Virtual visit means that you are sitting at a home and I'm sitting in a school. I'll take you for the tour of the school garden. So are you ready for that? I'm sure you will be excited. So let's collect our excitement and go to the school garden. Let's visit. So today I'm in a garden. You know that this is a main gate of the school, and as you know that we have started our topic, our topic is plants. So today I am going to show you few beautiful plants in the garden of your school. Okay, so let's visit together. In this flower bed you will see that different kinds of plants. Let's see what is this. Can you guess what kind of a plant it is? The stem is of wood, right? It looks like a wood. It's quite hard. I can feel that. If you touch it, it's very hard. It's not too soft. So I can identify this is a tree. This is not a shrub. This is not a herb. Okay, let's see now what is shrub, right? So I will show you few plants which is not too tall. It's very small, but if you will look closely, the stem of these plants are also not green. See, watch it closely. It's not green, it's of woody. If you will touch it, it's not too soft, it's very hard and it's shaggy, and all these bushy plants, okay, these are called shrubs. Let's see for a few more shrubs. Okay, let's go to that side and let's see few more shrubs. Fine. Okay, I'm in front of the school main gate, and here you will also see that these plants are not too tall. It's not like the tree, it's not too tall, it's very small. And here you will see that these plants, if you observe carefully, the stem of these plants are also not of green color. It's not too soft, it's very hard to touch. Okay, and here are so many beautiful white color flowers you can see. So this is also, we can identify it is a shrub. Okay, so again let's observe another plant. Around this Buddha statue we can also see few beautiful flowers. So here, wow, it's so red color and orange, so much beautiful. So this is so, like, you know. Okay, so look closely to the stem. The stem color is green. It's not woody, but if you will feel that, you will touch any stem of the flower plants, you will feel that it is not too soft, it's hard, and the flowers are straight, they are upward, they are not going down. So it is also a kind of a shrub. So how we need to identify all these shrubs? That the stem of these shrubs are hard and looks like a wood. Okay, let's see another plant here and observe whether it's a shrub or herb. This is again a flower, and you see the stem of this flower is also woody. It's looks like a wood and hard. Okay, so this is also a shrub. So now you can guess that the shrubs have the woody stems and the tree has a very hard woody trunk. So once again, see the trunk of this palm tree. This is a palm tree in our school, and the trunk is of wood, but it's very hard. This is called trunk. So the stem of the tree is called trunk. Okay, let's see. Here are some flowers. Hey, I found some beautiful soft stem flower here, and around this flower I have seen that green color grass is here, and it's very soft when I'm touching it. So any plant that gives you a soft feel and of green color stem, this is called herbs. So what is the name of this herb? It's called grass. So the last thing that I was searching for, that is a herb, and I have found one herb in our school, and this herb you can see, and these days we all are using a lot this herb. Can you guess what is the name of this herb? So first let's identify whether it's a herb or shrub. Okay, you must be confused in that. So we will look closely that what is the color of the stem. So if you have seen, the color of the stem is green, and I'm feeling it gives me a very soft feel when I'm touching it. So anything that has a green color stem, it is called herb. So this is a tulsi, though, and so we can see that this is a herb, and this grass is again one herb we have already observed. So I have found only the two herbs in our school. I have a lot of herbs at my home, so I'll be going home and definitely I will show you one day. If you want to see, give me a call and then I'll show you. Okay, so goodbye for the time being. This was our nature tour in our school garden, and you have seen so many plants. So now I'm inside the school. You must be missing all these things, but I'm sending you this video. I hope you will enjoy it. So goodbye, take care.